So how can you move the cursor down to the next line on iPhone? Let me explain that, how it works. Let's get started. If this is your first time on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important, right? So it depends on what exactly you're doing and where you happen to be at the moment. Because, for example, if you are inside of the Notes app, you might be writing something in one line, right? And if you want to move it over to the next line, you need to tap on the Enter key, right? So you can see it's like in the bottom right corner of the keyboard, and it just goes down like this, right? Or if you have already like created the space there, you can also just hold down with your finger and drag the cursor to the different lines or different areas around the letters and the words in here. So that's how it works. Also, you hold it down on the space bar and also move the cursor down through the lines. But as I said, it will not go anywhere below if you haven't just created the space there. In order to create the space, you have to click on the enter key or return key to just go down, right? And now it's sort of like added another line where you can move the cursor to. So I hope it all makes sense, right? It's just how it works. This is still within the Notes app, but keep in mind that it may not work the same way in other places too. Like, it kind of depends on the application where, for example, it might only allow you to use one line of text, or, some different keyboard might show up, but the general principle is exactly the same. So let me know if it works out for you. Let me know in the comments if there is some problem or some question you might have. Subscribe for upcoming videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.